Hi students, today's lecture we are learning new topic in RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, extended ER futures, entity relationship futures. Is dividing three categories. One is generalization, specialization and aggregation. Now let us see the generalization. Abstracting process of viewing sets of objects as single general form. Here abstracting process of viewing sets of objects as single general form. Here it's mainly it's having bottom up approach. In generalization is following bottom up approach. Here we are having an example, doctors. Okay, the doctors in this bottom up approach, physician and surgeon. Okay, these two categories, these two types of doctors. Physician is one type of a doctor and a surgeon. Okay, this physician is an entity and surgeon is an entity. Okay, that physician and surgeon. Physician will do that MD and that surgeon MSD. And the next these physician and surgeon will do combinedly PG, and the next these two persons will do MBBS. Okay, these MBBS is an entity and this entity is having attributes. Okay, that physician name, physician will do the MBBS and name of the physician and name of the surgeon and mobile number, address and college name. Bottom up approach. And the next second one is specialization. Introducing new characteristics to an existing class. Introducing new characteristics to an existing class of objects to create new classes. Okay, specialization mainly top down approach. Specialization mainly using top down approach. Here where is that objects? Okay, here objects are, for example, this PG, MST, okay, MD, mobile number, name, address. Okay, these are all objects. Here where is the class? MBBS and physician and a surgeon. Here introducing new characteristics to an existing class of objects to create new classes. Here we are having one example. Specialization is a following top down approach and generalization bottom up approach. Here top down approach. Okay, top down approach. MBBS. Okay, first one student. Okay, that student will do MBBS. Okay, MBBS is an entity. Okay, this MBBS is a class. Okay, this MBBS will have that objects. Okay, it will have objects, name, mobile number, address and a college name. And the next these class of objects to create new classes. PG. Okay, that after completion of the MBBS, okay, that student will do the PG and the next that student will select a physician or a surgeon. Okay, for example, that student will select that physician role and that after selecting that physician will do the MD. And the next last one is aggregation. Combining information on an object, these by abstracting higher level object. Combining information, okay, adding the relation. Combining the information on an object. This by abstracting higher level objects. Okay, it's forming the managers. This job is relationship with the managers and to by a manager. Okay, for example, this block diagram. Okay, we will write separate entity, job, works is an relationship, work, employee, branch, then next managers. Managers is an entity and manager. Manager in separate entity we are writing. Okay, this total relationship. Clear? It's just a simple example of the aggregation. Okay, block diagram of the aggregation job. Okay, the job is relationship with the works. Okay, and the next works is managers by a manager. By a manager. Whose works, who's doing a job? Employee is doing a job. Is employee is having the relationship works in that branch. Clear? And the next, these employees having the relationship with managers. Whose manager is the employee? By manager. Managers are employee at the same time branch. And the next, this job is managers. Whose manager is that job? By manager. In separate entity here I am written job, works, employee. Employee is relationship with the works and branch. And the next here these employees have the relationship with the managers and branch. Okay, this relationship here I am written in separate entity. Today's